CLAWS actually stands for Communities Living Among Wildlife Sustainably. The reason why CLAWS was started is it was because there was this massive killing of lions by poisoning, where almost half the lion population in this area was killed. So lots of cattle roaming around here unattended. So this is where the serious problem is coming from. There's also lions in the area, and then eventually farmers just lose it and then they kill the lions. What we are actually doing is lion conservation. And by protecting the cattle or looking after the cattle, we are indirectly protecting the lions. So this is what we refer to as a mobile boma. So it's predator proof in the sense that lions can't actually see through. As long as a lion can see the cattle inside, they can always attack or even cause the cattle to break out. It just breaks that visual contact between the lion and the cattle. We wanted the buy-in of the community, and what links us with the community is the livestock. And then so we had to form something that will bring communities and researchers together with one goal. It was the first of its kind in Botswana that we had a community agreeing to put together cattle. The total number pledged was 1,100 cattle. One of the main ultimate goals of the program is to improve livelihoods of these people. Eventually, we want this program to be run like a business so that the community can take ownership and run it even beyond CLAWS. We have safe livestock that is managed in a very wildlife-friendly way, and then in the process we are also conserving the lion population, and at the end of the day it's a win-win situation and everyone is happy.